What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be making my soon-to-be famous chocolate chip cookies. It's a really quick and easy recipe that my family really loves. So first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 180 degrees Celsius for my European folks on the metric system. Next, we're going to mix together the dry ingredients, starting with a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of bread flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, the last dry ingredient will be 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Give it a mix, put it to the side, and we'll start on our wet ingredients. So for our wet ingredients, we're going to start with 1 cup of softened unsalted butter. We're going to mix that with 1 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of white sugar. Alright, now you want to break out your electric mixer and mix those ingredients until they're nice and creamy. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs to the butter and sugar mixture. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Really, it's vanilla flavoring. I tried buying real vanilla extract and didn't realize how expensive it was. Vanilla flavoring tastes exactly the same. Use whatever your budget allows. Alright, so then we're just going to mix again until the mixture comes out smooth. Next, we'll gradually add our dry ingredients to the mixture until well combined. Once the mixture is combined, stir in 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now, I always bake a test cookie before I throw a full batch into the oven. I want to make sure that the size and shape is where I want it to be. Usually, if it's too flat, I'll put the batter in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to firm it up. Cookies usually take between 9 and 12 minutes. Looks like my test cookie came out good, so now it's time to start the batches. Make sure you keep about 1 inch between the cookies. When the cookies bake, the dough melts and expands a little. So unless you are looking to make a cookie sheet, make sure you have that separation. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Keep repeating the process until you've finished all the dough. You make sure you keep them in the oven until they are just brown around the edges. If they brown too much, then they'll be hard and not chewy. But yeah, if you like the cookies, give us a like and a subscribe, and see you on the next one.